In this video, we are going to take this floor plan and turn it into a clean, professional presentation. We will go step by step, starting from structure, all the way to a finished drawing that actually reads clearly. Before starting to draw, it's actually crucial to have your layer set up, because if you don't, later on, when you try to make a clean presentation, you will spend way more time selecting things one by one, fixing, tweaking, it becomes messy. So this is how I organize mine. Walls, openings, furniture, annotations, everything separated. I'm not going to show you how to create them. What matters is the logic behind it. Each element is independent, so I can control it later. Visibility, line weights, printing, everything. That's what keeps the drawing clean. Now let's fix the line weights. Right now everything reads almost the same, so the drawing feels flat. I will start with the walls. These are cut elements, so they need to be the strongest. The openings, doors, and windows, just slightly lighter. Furniture, I push it back a bit. It shouldn't compete with the architecture. And annotations, keep them very light, just readable, is enough. So now there is clear hierarchy. You can instantly read what matters. Same plan, just better controlled. Now let's start separating the spaces using hatches and subtle tones. I will start with the main spaces. Just a very light hatch, nothing too strong. The goal here is not to decorate, just to differentiate. So each space reads clearly without adding noise. I will soften the furniture a bit so it sits in the background. We will use a subtle tone for the furniture so it does not overpower the plan. A bit of transparency helps the furniture sit more softly within the plan. Outside stays even lighter, so the focus remains on the plan. Everything should be subtle. If too strong, it starts to fight the drawing. Finally, let's add a bit of color to bring the plan to life. And a very light hatch for the landscape. Keep it soft, almost background voice. Now the spaces are clearer, and the plan has a bit of more depth. By the way, if you want to learn AutoCAD from beginner to professional with presentation included, I have linked my full course below. Last step, let's clean up the annotations and finalize the presentation. These dimensions are already set up with a clean style. We have already covered that in a separate tutorial, which you can find the link in the description below, and in more detail inside our full course. Final small tweak. Let's see how this looks when we print it. I'm using a monochrome plot style with line weight and transparency enabled. For technical submissions, this is the monochrome result. But for presentations, adding subtle color gives more depth. You can download this exact template, layers, and this full plan from the description. And if you want to fully master AutoCAD from drafting to presentation, check out my full course.